In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly access Claude AI. By the end, you'll have Claude just a keystroke away, ready to help from anywhere on your computer. First, head to the official Claude download page at claude.com/download. Using the official site ensures you get the most up-to-date and secure version. Choose the installer that matches your operating system and start the download. If the page seems slow to load in your browser, don't worry, just give it a moment and try again. Once the download finishes, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. If you've previously tried opening the web experience at claude.ai/new and it wasn't loading correctly in your browser, that's okay. The steps in this video focus on the desktop app so you can enable quick access features that make Claude lightning fast to open. After the app is installed, open it and go straight to Settings. Inside Settings, look for the General section. This is where the core preferences live and where we'll enable the tools that make Claude instantly accessible. Depending on whether you're using the desktop app or looking at the web version, the layout may look a little different. Don't worry if your screens don't match exactly. What matters is the section names. Find General and you'll be in the right place. Within General, find the Quick Access options. This is the heart of today's setup. Here, you can customize how you summon Claude without hunting for a window or a tab. Set a global keyboard shortcut that feels natural and won't conflict with shortcuts you already use. If you press it by accident a lot, pick something slightly less common. You can usually change this anytime, so don't stress about getting it perfect on the first try. Look for any toggles that let Claude appear from anywhere, such as a quick launcher, a floating window, or an option to keep Claude available from your menu bar or system tray. Enable the behavior that suits your workflow. If you like minimal distractions, stick to the keyboard shortcut. If you prefer click to open, make sure the menu bar or tray icon is turned on. When you're done customizing, apply your changes and give your shortcut a quick test. You should see Claude appear right away, ready for your next prompt. That's it. Simple, fast, and optimized so you can get help the moment you need it.